Hey everyone, it's me Ice, and I know I look a little busted, crusted, and I want to get glam. I want to look good and I want to be presentable. So I know I'm in the middle of baking right now, and I did my right eye already, and I really like what I did. Very minimal in my honest opinion, so I'm going to show you what I did by using the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. And I wanted to tell you, a while back, my last video, I mentioned that I don't know if I was going to continue using the Huda Beauty foundation because it's no longer around. I am wrong. If you go to her website right now, she has her old formula of her foundations and it's only $20. So I went ahead and bought two. So I should be stocked for a while now, because when I use her foundation, you need one pump. I use one pump because it does cover up everything for me, and I use a little bit, of course, as you guys know, LA Girl concealer on little spots, and that's it. If you follow Trend Mood, Huda Beauty has a highlighter palette coming out, like minis. How am I gonna save? How am I gonna move? Like, Huda, I want to show you how I did this eye. It will come together, don't worry. So I will be doing this eye, and I also want to show you, again, my favorite bronzer is the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush bronzer. I really think if you want to just have a nice glow from within, which is like her thing, I really think you should buy this. This makes things so quick for me. I just put it on, bake a little bit in the bottom, and then I'm ready to go to do what I gotta do. I love Charlotte Tilbury, you know, theme. It's just so Hollywood. It's so pretty. It's so glam. It's so chic. Her packaging, everything is just so beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you how I did the right eye, but over here. I went ahead and used Flower Power. I'm just gonna do this because I don't want the light to reflect. So Flower Power is right here. So I put that on my brow bone, which I did over here, which I love. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. I love this palette. I'm gonna go, and then the color I used for the transition was Arouse, which is right here. Sorry about that. Arouse. So okay, so I'm gonna use the next color, which is Rough. This one, I'll show you. Right here, it's a beautiful shimmery champagne pink, and I'm just gonna put it in my eyelid. It is so pretty. Okay, so I finished my eyes, and I want to say that for my bottom part of my eyes, I'm using Passion, which is, I'm not trying to get the light to reflect on you, but it's this one right here. Sorry. This one right here, Passion. So it has this beautiful, I don't know if the word's like iridescent, camouflage, pink, brown. I'll show you. It's like this color. It's like some type of, I guess the word's iridescent. Let me just swatch it for you. You see how beautiful that is? It's like a raspberry blue type shade. You see how it reflects? It's really beautiful. So I went ahead and did that because it's so different. Before I do my contour with the Charlotte Tilbury, I also bought the melted shadows. I never really thought about getting it until I watched Huda Beauty's like makeup routine on a plane. I went ahead and got the matte side is the fox fur and cashmere robe, and for the glittery side I got bamboo hoops and penthouse. My favorite one is the penthouse sweet cashmere robe one, but I already used that in my other channel, so I want to use this one. This is the bamboo hoops. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my inner corner. It is her melted shadows. I highly recommend. It's only $25, but it's also, I think it's also good if you're traveling. Watch it for you. Look at that. It's like this beautiful crystally pretty color. My cat is screaming. I don't know why. See how bright that is? It is gorgeous. I love it. If you're ever out and traveling, I recommend it. So I'm just gonna put some in the center lid to add a little bit of oomph. It's just so pretty. See? It just adds so much more to it. See? I'm on this side. So now I'm going to show you how I bronze my face using the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush bronzer, which is right here. I know you've seen me do it, but I just want to talk about why it's replaced liquid bronzers or like matte ones. This is just fast. This is faster. It gets the routine quicker for me. It gets everything done really fast. So I think this retails for $55, but again, you could also just buy the pan. Once you're done, once you hit pan, you could just buy this part. I don't know how much it will be, but last time I checked, it's not that expensive. So I like to get a fan brush. This one's from Juvia's Place. The J229 brush. I like it because it helps, like, you know, all the contours of your face. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it comes with a mirror too. I'm just gonna show you. It comes with a mirror. Do it like this. Just like rub like this, and just, you see that? Love it. It just makes things so quick. Is that my cat? Augie, what is going on? So I'm gonna do half my face and show you why I love it so much. So as you can see, this side doesn't have any contour to it. This side does. And I know I went a little ham here, but I'm gonna clean it up. But I just love how warm it makes my face feel. It just blends in, and it has that inner glow going on, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side, and I'm gonna show you how I bake. Okay, so I went ahead and bronzed my face, but I'm gonna bake a little bit because I went ham. Okay everyone, so I am done doing my makeup. Please do not mind that. Augie did that. My cat, my orange tabby king. He's so cute. He's sleeping, but yeah, this is the look. This is why I really love the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. It is so just very natural. It oozes like the skin from within, that glow, and I really love it. And all the products you see here I have used in my previous channel. I will say as well that I am using the Sephora lip gloss called Glossed. It's this beautiful like intergalactic shimmer type color, which I will show you right here. I don't know if you could see it, but there's like little hints of like blue. I put on my lips. I will say like it does fade. I am talking a lot, but you really gotta get in there to see it. If you could. I don't know if you could see it, but this is really glossy and I really love it. And yeah, there you go guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope my way of doing it, like the technique and everything, is something maybe you want to try. But of course everyone has their own way of doing things, but this is how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick little tutorial on how I do bronzer and my makeup. So I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you to those who subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.